Hello everyone, today I will tell you about my new everyday shoulder bag. It's not new product, but very comfortable and fit for me now. It's Arcteryx Arro 8 shoulder bag. Soft, comfortable and fit shoulder straps. My small pocket lighter from 5 to 200 lumen. In this video you will see a few of different types of lighters in my bag. It's because, as you know, my motherland is at war and we have big problems with electricity after the Russian bombings our plants. As you see, front part material is very durable, nice waterproof zipper. Okay, what are inside? My GoPro 360 camera, car key, lightning cable, home and work keys handed in the loop from KeySmart brand, my earpods, and of course my favorite glasses, Oakley cotton. I have a review on my channel, look up. It's a waterproof zipper too. In the main compartment I bring with me my next lighter. It's a black diamond head lighter. My ear glasses with pair of lenses. Some stuff for DJI Action 2. My Osmo Pocket. Of course Osmo Mobile 5. Another type of lighter, very powerful lighter. My Paraban for 10,000 mAh from ZMI brand. Very good feature, Lightning cable with USB flash card. Of course my DJI Action 2 camera. Nice feature, it's a cleaner for glasses. My scalpel. Tactical pen from Ukrainian brand MTAC.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun.
One of my favorite device is Laserman scissors. And another favorite device is Laserman multi-tool 3V4. One more great device, it's a Tula crossover travel organizer where I have lightning flash card for iPhone or iPads. I have different cables, I have SSD Samsung, Satoshi card reader for my MacBook, and of course inside I have my documents, my passports, that have a magnet strap and have a refit block system. And the last pocket that we have inside this bag, it's a small flat pocket where I bring my second phone. As you see, we have a lot of space for different stuffs. Of course, you can change your stuff inside the bag. Sometimes I bring with me my big headphones Sennheiser. As you see, it's enough space in the front pocket or in the main compartment. Sometimes I need to use my drone, Mavic Air 2. It's enough space for drone, for remote controller, or for additional battery. Thanks for watching this video and subscribe to my channel and waiting for new videos. See you.